Hello and welcome back to Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a very simple DIY electromagnet from a transformer. Let's get started. I have right here a CFL circuit, and the only component that I need for this project is this little transformer. So what I need to do is desolder it and remove it. Simply desolder the transformer, pull it out, and it comes out just like this. Next, I need to remove the tape that is wrapped around the transformer that is holding the two ferrite cores. Peel it off just like this. And there, it is now removed. Next, take a soldering iron and apply heat over the glue that is holding the two ferrite cores together. Doing this will soften the glue and will allow the ferrite cores to separate easier. Repeat the same process on both sides. And as you can see, I broke the pins that are attached to this transformer. That's because I pulled a little too hard. But that's okay because the wires are still in place. Like this wire right here is still in place, which is very important. Another very useful method is to take a very sharp knife and simply cut the adhesive. And then carefully wedge it in between the two ferrite cores and then try to pry them apart without damaging them, which is very difficult to do because ferrite cores are very brittle. And there, the ferrite cores are now loosened. Simply pull them apart. Got one ferrite core there. And now the second one's a little stubborn, so take something and push it through. And there it comes out just like this. And as you can see, I have now two half ferrite cores. This can be very useful to keep for a future project, so what I'm going to do is put these to the side. Or test it out and take one ferrite core and put it back inside and see how strong an electromagnet that it can be. Next, pull out this wire a little bit and then remove the insulation so that way it has proper contact to the power source. Next, I'm going to take the half ferrite core and put it back inside the coil. Doing this will create an electromagnetic field, which I believe may be good enough as an electromagnet, but I'm not sure how strong it's going to be, so let's go ahead and test it out. Take an alligator clip and connect it to one lead. And now a second alligator clip and connect it to the second lead. And now let's see how strong this electromagnet is. Touch the alligator clip to the 9-volt battery to close the circuit. And there, as you can see, it works. In my opinion, not very strong, but it looks like it works well. As soon as I apply a current to it, it starts to work. And then when I detach the current, it stops working. Unfortunately, this ferrite core isn't going all the way through the coil, which isn't creating much of an electromagnetic field. As a result, the electromagnet isn't very strong. To improve, I'm going to take a screw and place it inside of the coil, going all the way through it. Doing this should create a stronger electromagnetic field, which will then make the electromagnet stronger. And there, should look just like this. Now let's go ahead and test it out. Apply some current, and now the electromagnet should be stronger. And there, as you can see, it works and is a lot stronger. And now let's go test it out and see if it picks up more ferrous metals. As you can see, it works very well. And now let's go ahead and increase the voltage from 9 volts to 18 volts. Let's see how strong this electromagnet can be. And as you can see, it's a lot stronger. And there you have it. Now you know how to make a very simple DIY electromagnet from a transformer. Thank you for watching Sci-Fi Tech. I hope you learned something new, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and of course click on the bell icon to be notified of future Sci-Fi Tech videos. Till the next tech, goodbye.